क्या तुम मुझे याद करते हो? डू यू मिस मी? डू यू मिस मी? मुझे तुम पर भरोसा है। आई ट्रस्ट यू। आई ट्रस्ट यू। क्या तुमने खाना बना लिया? डिड यू कुक द फूड? डिड यू कुक द फूड? तुमसे बात करके अच्छा लगा। इट वॉज नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू। इट वॉज नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू। क्या आप मुझे माफ करेंगे? विल यू फॉरगिव मी? विल यू फॉरगिव मी? इसे जल्दी से करो। डू इट क्विकली। डू इट क्विकली। हमें यहाँ क्यों आना चाहिए? Why should we come here? Why should we come here? मुझे अपना नाम बताओ। Tell me your name. Tell me your name. वह क्या कर रहा है? What is he doing? What is he doing? क्या आप इसे समझा सकते हैं? Can you explain this? Can you explain this? हमें इसे बदलने की जरूरत है। We need to change this. We need to change this. यह मुझे अच्छा लगता है। I like this. I like this. मुझे कुछ समय चाहिए। I need some time. I need some time. क्या आप इसे ले सकते हैं? Can you take it? Can you take it? मुझे तुम्हारे साथ रहना पसंद है। I like being with you. I like being with you. ये अब काम नहीं कर रहा। It's not working now. It's not working now. मुझे इसके बारे में और बताओ। Tell me more about this. Tell me more about this. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? मुझे इसकी आदत हो गई है। I have gotten used to it. I have gotten used to it. ये किसकी गलती थी? Whose fault was it? Whose fault was it? मैं बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहा हूँ। I am feeling very good. I am feeling very good. क्या तुम इसे खरीदोगे? Will you buy this? Will you buy this? हमें इसे सुरक्षित रखना चाहिए। We should keep it safe. We should keep it safe. ये क्यों टूट गया? Why did it break? Why did it break? वह कौन है? Who is he? Who is he? क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see her? Did you see her? इसे और कठिन मत बनाओ। Don't make it more difficult. Don't make it more difficult. क्या ये काम करेगा? Will it work? Will it work? क्या तुमने इसे पहले किया है? Have you done this before? Have you done this before? ये कितना दूर है? How far is it? How far is it? हमें किसकी प्रतीक्षा करनी चाहिए? Who should we wait for? Who should we wait for? मैं इसे बाद में देखूंगा. I will see it later. I will see it later. वह यहाँ कब आएगा? When will he come here? When will he come here? क्या यह संभव है? Is it possible? Is it possible? मैंने उसे समझाने की कोशिश की. I tried to explain him. I tried to explain it to him. इसे तुरंत ठीक करो. Fix it immediately. Fix it immediately. हमें जल्दी ही जाना चाहिए. We should leave soon. We should leave soon. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है. I don't like this. I don't like this. क्या तुम इसे महसूस कर सकते हो? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? ये मेरे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. This is very important to me. This is very important to me. इसे कैसे इस्तेमाल करना है? How to use it? How to use it? वह किससे बात कर रहा था? Who was he talking to? Who was he talking to? मैं उसे समझ नहीं पाया. I couldn't understand him. I couldn't understand him. क्या वह सही है? Is he right? Is he right? यह बहुत सुंदर है. It is very beautiful. It is very beautiful. क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए है? Is this for you? Is this for you? मैं इसके लिए माफी मांगता हूँ. I apologize for this. I apologize for this. हमें अब आराम करना चाहिए. We should rest now. We should rest now. तुम कितने साल के हो? How old are you? How old are you? ये कब समाप्त होगा? When will it end? When will it end? मुझे ये याद है. I remember this. I remember this. इसे कहाँ ले जाना है? Where should it be taken? Where should it be taken? तुम्हारा दिन कैसे रहा? How was your day? How was your day? मुझे ये सीखने में मदद करो. Help me to learn this. Help me to learn this. क्या तुमने अपना काम पूरा किया? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? वह यहाँ क्यों रुका? Why did he stop here? Why did he stop here? ये कितना खर्च होगा? How much will it cost? How much will it cost? मैंने इसे बहुत कोशिश की. I tried it a lot. I tried it a lot. हमें यहाँ क्यों रुकना चाहिए? Why should we stop here? Why should we stop here? ये किसके लिए बनाया गया था? Who was this made for? Who was this made for? क्या ये अभी तक तैयार है? Is it ready yet? Is it ready yet? हमें इसे बेहतर बनाना चाहिए. We should make it better. We should make it better. तुम इसे क्यों चाहते हो? Why do you want this? Why do you want this? यह तुम्हारा निर्णय है. It's your decision. It's your decision. मैंने इसे पहले नहीं देखा. I haven't seen this before. I haven't seen this before. क्या आप इसे मेरे लिए करेंगे? Will you do this for me? Will you do this for me? हमें इसे समझने की जरूरत है. We need to understand this. We need to understand this. वह अभी तक यहाँ क्यों नहीं आया? Why hasn't he come here yet? Why hasn't he come here yet? मुझे यहाँ से जाने दो. Let me go from here. Let me go from here. ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण था. It was very important. It was very important. वह तुम्हारे बारे में क्या कह रहा था? What was he saying about you? What was he saying about you? मुझे इसे वापस देना है. I have to return it. I have to return it. ये योजना बहुत अच्छी थी. The plan was very good. The plan was very good. मैं इसके लिए सहमत नहीं हूँ. I don't agree with this. I don't agree with this. हमें किसके साथ जाना चाहिए? Who should we go with? Who should we go with? मैंने उसे नहीं देखा. I didn't see him. I didn't see him. क्या तुम इसके लिए तैयार हो? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? हमें इसे सुरक्षित रखना होगा. We have to keep it safe. We have to keep it safe. ये क्यों काम नहीं कर रहा? Why isn't it not working? Why is it not working? क्या तुम इसे खरीद सकते हो? Can you buy this? Can you buy this? मुझे ये जानना जरूरी है. I need to know this. I need to know this. उसने क्या कहा? What did he say? What did he say? कृपया इसे मेरे पास लाओ. Please bring it to me. Please bring it to me. क्या ये सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? तुमने इसे कैसे बनाया? How did you make this? How did you make this? मैं कल तुम्हें देखूंगा. I will see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं आया. I didn't like this. I didn't like this. क्या आप इसे बदल सकते हैं? Can you change this? Can you change this? मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ हूँ. I am with my friends. I am with my friends. ये बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. दिस इज वेरी गुड। क्या आप इसे मेरे लिए कर सकते हैं? कैन यू डू दिस फॉर मी? कैन यू डू दिस फॉर मी? ये इतना महंगा क्यों है? Why is it so expensive? Why is it so expensive? मुझे इसे ठीक करना होगा। I will have to fix this. I will have to fix this. तुम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो? Who are you talking about? Who are you talking about? क्या आप इसे मेरे पास भेज सकते हैं? Can you send it to me? Can you send it to me? मैं इसे बाद में करूँगा। I will do it later. I will do it later. तुम्हें ये क्यों चाहिए? Why do you need this? Why do you need this? क्या आप मुझे ये दे सकते हैं? Can you give this to me? Can you give this to me? मुझे ये जानकर खुशी हुई। I am happy to know this. I am happy to know this. क्या आप इसे यहाँ रख सकते हैं? Can you keep it here? Can you keep it here? मुझे ये स्थान पसंद है। I like this place. I like this place. उसने इसे कैसे बनाया? How did he make it? How did he make it? क्या तुम यहाँ रह सकते हो? Can you stay here? Can you stay here? मुझे इसे आज खत्म करना है। I have to finish it today. I have to finish it today. क्या वह यहाँ आ सकता है? Can he come here? Can he come here? मुझे आपकी सलाह चाहिए। I need your advice. I need your advice. क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए मुश्किल है? Is it difficult for you? Is it difficult for you? यह बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। This is very important. This is very important. मैं इसे बाद में देखूंगा। I will check it later. I will check it later. हमें जल्दी पहुंचना होगा। We need to arrive early. We need to arrive early. यह मेरा निर्णय है। This is my decision. This is my decision. क्या ये अभी भी काम कर रहा है? Is it still working? Is it still working? मुझे इसके बारे में सब कुछ बताओ। Tell me everything about this. Tell me everything about this. तुमने इसे कितने समय में पूरा किया? How much time did you take to complete this? How much time did you take to complete this? ये किस प्रकार का है? What type is this? What type is this? क्या वह तुम्हारा दोस्त है? Is he your friend? Is he your friend? हमें इसे तुरंत करना चाहिए। We should do this immediately. We should do this immediately. मुझे इस पर विश्वास नहीं है। I don't believe this. I don't believe this. क्या तुमने इसे अपने पास रखा? Did you keep it with you? Did you keep it with you? मुझे वह व्यक्ति पसंद है. I like that person. I like that person. ये अभी तक क्यों नहीं हुआ? Why hasn't this happened yet? Why hasn't it happened yet? क्या ये सच है? Is it true? Is it true? मुझे इसकी चिंता है. I am worried about this. I am worried about this. क्या तुम इसे मुझे दे सकते हो? Can you give this to me? Can you give this to me? हमें इसे साझा करना चाहिए. We should share this. We should share this. क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए काम करेगा? Will this work for you? Will this work for you? उसने ये कब किया? When did he do this? When did he do this? मुझे इसे यहाँ से हटाना होगा. I have to remove it from here. I have to remove it from here. तुम इसे कैसे संभालोगे? How will you handle this? How will you handle this? ये बहुत सरल है. This is very simple. This is very simple. क्या तुमने इसके बारे में सुना? Did you hear about this? Did you hear about this? वह क्या कर रही है? What is she doing? What is she doing? हमें उससे बताना चाहिए. We should tell him. We should tell him. क्या तुमने इसे मुझसे छुपाया? Did you hide it from me? Did you hide it from me? मुझे यह करने की अनुमति है. I am allowed to do this. I am allowed to do this. वह वास्तव में बहुत सुंदर है. This is really beautiful. This is really beautiful. हमें किस पर ध्यान देना चाहिए? What should we focus on? What should we focus on?